Are you looking for additional sources of income? Are you looking for ways to get out of your financial difficulties? Are you looking for ways to pay off that debt that has kept you down for so long? Then listen to this powerful secret of making easy money. Success is not for the chosen few, but for those who choose to persevere. Believe you can, and you are halfway there. Success is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. Success comes to those who are too busy looking for it. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubt of today. Have you had constant losses in football betting? Have you concluded that football betting is fraud and is rigged to favor only the betting companies? I am here to tell you that this belief is not real. Football betting isn't just about luck. It's a strategic game that rewards knowledge, patience, and discipline. Every bet is an opportunity to apply your understanding of the game, analyze past performances, and anticipate future outcomes. Embrace each game as a chance to refine your skills and learn from your experiences. With dedication and a keen eye for detail, you can turn betting into a thoughtful pursuit that combines passion with insight. Stay informed, stay focused, and remember that every successful bettor starts with a commitment to learning and improvement. When delving into football betting, remember that success isn't just about luck, it's about strategy and insight. By analyzing team stats, understanding player conditions, and keeping a key eye on trends, you position yourself for the ultimate advantage. Stay disciplined, manage your money wisely, and let your knowledge guide you. Each bet is an opportunity to refine your approach and learn from the game, driving you closer to achieving consistent success. I will be sharing updates with you on how to improve your analysis of the game and increase your winning chances to 99%. We have a brand new football season before us, where all the top clubs in the top leagues will be playing matches week in and week out. Updates domain is here for you. We would be giving you back-to-back betting tips and predictions at the weekends and during the weekdays. But as we continue, I need you to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications button, as you don't want to miss out on any of our predictions. Football matches are live events, and the outcomes are real. Football betting is not like some other online bets that are controlled by computer programs whose outcomes are decided by the betting companies. What immediately comes to mind to most people when football betting is mentioned is outright win predictions. Outright win predictions means when a betor predicts that Team A or Team B is going to win the football match. This is the most common option that majority of football betors bet on. But do you know that each match in any of the European top-flight leagues has over 500 options you can bet on? There are options for how many goals the match will produce. There are options for how many corner kicks the match will produce. There are options for how many shots to be played in the match. There are over 500 options like these few I just mentioned. This means you are not limited to just outright wins predictions alone in football betting. This is where the need for proper analysis of the teams and players comes in. Some football teams are known for scoring high-number goals, while some football teams are known for being more defense-minded and thereby don't score much goals. Some other teams are known for playing possessive style of football. Such teams like to hold the ball and pass it around in the midfield while waiting for an opening for goal-scoring opportunity. All these differences in individual team characters form the basis for our analysis. I will be sharing with you a top-notch strategy on how to place your football bets to guarantee a 99% chances of zero loss to your investment capital. But before we continue, make sure you have subscribed to this channel and turned on the notifications button, as there would be other follow-up videos to keep guiding you on your prediction skills and ensure that we assist you in converting your money from a few notes to hundreds and thousands before the end of this football season. There is a strategy we call zero-loss strategy. In this strategy, what you need to do is to share your betting capital into 5 equal parts, then use each of this part to play odds that are equivalent to it. For example, if you budgeted $50 for football betting for this season, Then divide the $50 into 5. It gives you $10 each. Then use each of the $10 to play 5 betting odds. This means that you will play 5 different tickets of 5 odds each. So each of these tickets is intended to give you back your main capital of $50. Now our target is to get 3-5. If you can win 3 tickets out of the 5 tickets you have played, it means you have been able to triple your capital of $50 to $150. Isn't that great? Now, if you can win only 2 tickets out of the 5 tickets, it means you have been able to double your capital from $50 to $100. And if you win just 1 ticket, it means your capital of $50 remains intact, but without any gain made from the bets. Also, you can win a jackpot by winning all 5 tickets, which will take your capital of $50 to $250 in just one match day or weekend. I believe by now you are beginning to understand why I said we can guarantee 99% zero loss to your investment capital. The only way you would lose your capital is if you lose all 5 tickets. To ensure that such does not happen, there is need for you to do proper analysis of any betting option you want to put your money on. You can't afford to be carefree with it. Play each of these 5 tickets as if it is the only ticket you are putting all your money on. There is need for us to understand that football is a real event. It is a sport that is played by 22 players, 11 players for each team. One mistake from one of these players could be costly to his team and result in an upset of the expected result of the match. This is why we have placed our expectations of betting wins to 3 tickets out of 5 tickets. Like I said earlier, discipline is very important in this business. There are basic principles you must follow to ensure constant success in football betting. These principles are: 1. Don't put your money on any bet option you have not analyzed properly. 2. Don't ever repeat a bet option you have already played in another ticket, no matter how sure you are about that option. 3. Don't attach emotions to your bet predictions. I mean, don't use your love for a particular team or player to favor them in your tickets, else you may lose your money. 4. Don't play bet every day. If you don't see enough good games to bet on, let that day pass. It is better to keep your money than to lose it. If you follow these guiding principles, you would hardly lose money on football betting. If you stick to this strategy of 5 tickets and ensure you make proper analysis before placing your bets, I assure you, you will make lots of money from football betting. If you don't trust your analysis skills and feel that 5 odds will be too big for you to produce for your tickets, you can drop it to 3 odds for 3 tickets and apply the same strategy like I explained for 5 odds. You can also use a 2 odds for 2 tickets strategy. If you are a new betor, do not worry. I will be sharing back-to-back analysis with you on this channel for upcoming football games. Make sure you have subscribed to this channel and turned on the notifications button so you don't miss out on these updates. If you want to be getting betting tips for upcoming football games as well, please go ahead and type a comment. Type, "Yes, I am interested." Just type, "Yes, I am interested." There is a special excitement that you feel when your football predictions play out exactly how you have predicted it. There is fulfillment in that. So why not also cash in on that? Why not turn your passion for football into your cash cow? Treat this as an online business. Give it the time and attention it requires, and you will be surprised to have found that extra source of income you have been looking for so long. All you need is to devote some time for your analysis and let the analysis guide you in placing your bets. Remember that bet is not what you should go into with all your money. As I said earlier, you should budget out a particular sum of money that you want to use for bet business for this season. Use only that money to play and see it grow to a significant amount. You can be cashing out your gains every week or monthly. Don't take the risk of playing your entire money in one single ticket. Discipline is key in this business. Be in control of your emotions. I will be sharing with you how to make your football analysis. There are things to consider during your analysis. They are as follows. 1. Form. You need to check at least the last 3 matches played by the 2 teams, how they performed against those other opponents. This will guide you deciding which is more likely to win. 2. Head-to-head. This means the history between the two teams, all the matches they have played against each other. Do they score much goals? Which team often wins? This will help you decide if to bet on the match on goals or outright win for a particular team. Third, player conditions. Each team has key players, most cases strikers. These are the players who score goals and help their teams win matches. You have to be sure that such player is fit and will play the match before betting on the team. Okay, guys, we will be wrapping things up here. I hope this video has been insightful and has helped you become better as a baiter. Next video soon. Bye for now.